Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Now in this video I will show you and tell you how to see your email password. If you have forgotten it, please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Like it. Let's get started. To do this on absolutely any Android phone, we need to go to Settings. After that here, we scroll down and find the tab called Google. We can also use the search bar in the search to write Google. Here I click Manage your Google account. Then open here Security. And then at the very bottom we have Password Manager. Click here. Here we have all the saved passwords from social networks, applications, games. And then we'll find our email. And then once we find it, we click. Enter our phone password, click Next. And now here we have our email and our password. We'll click View, Copy, and now we don't have to recover our password or our mail. And here we'll see our password already saved. We will see it, paste it, and log in. That's how easy it is to see and view your saved password on your Android phone. If you liked this video, you can subscribe to the channel. Give it a like. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.